Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a feel good flow for you guys to get your blood flowing and boost your mood. So let's get right into it. First, meet me on top of your mat with your legs hip width apart and your shoulder back and down, arms to your side, and we're going to inhale and exhale 3 times. In with the nose and out through your mouth. Good. From here, we're going to plie, reach up, hips forward, chest lifted, and exhale down from your head, neck, and vertebrae by vertebrae, bending your knees generously. Inhale, reach up. Exhale down. One more time, inhale. Exhale down. From here, drop your head, neck, and shoulder like a rag doll. And maybe rock your head side to side and up and down. Maybe clasping the elbows, rocking side to side to relax your lower back, any tension in that area. Keep breathing. Okay, gently place your hand down. We're going to reach up into a half forward fold. Your elbows are tucked, your hands are on the hip crease. And down. One more time. Okay. From here, we're going to reach up, back into mountain. Exhale down. Into half forward fold. And down. From here, place your hand on the mat. We're going to extend our right leg long and drop the knee down. You're going to reach the arms up over our head and make sure your hips are forward, really feeling that stretch. Chest lifted, arms reaching up, and move back, and then we're going to press in again as we press the shoulder blades together. Inhale, exhale. 2 more times. Reach up and back. Good. From here, place your hand back on the mat, and we're going to flex the front foot and bend. Tucking the chin to your chest. Good. Roll back onto your toes. Propping our right knee up. We're going to reach our left arm up to the ceiling. And make sure you're pressing away from the mat. Back. From here, we're going to place our left leg to meet our right into a plank position. Inhale, exhale to downward dog. From here, pedal your feet. Really stretching the calf. Good. From here, we're going to lift our right leg up into the ceiling and tuck it in, nose to knee, hover, and place. Okay, dropping your left knee down this time, reaching up, and back. Reach up, and up, and down. Placing the hand back on the mat, flexing the front foot, chin to chest. Keep breathing. Rolling back on your toes, propping the left knee up, reaching your right arm long up to the ceiling. Place it back on the mat, and we're gonna shoot our left back to meet our right on the top of our mat. Good. Right here, you can bend your knees generously. Inhale to half forward fold. Exhale down and reach up back into tall mountain. And bring your hands heart center. And from here, we're gonna repeat those steps again, just with a little more fluidity. So reach up, exhale down, inhale, reach up, exhale down. One more time, inhale, exhale down. From here, half forward fold, and down. Reach up and down. From here, we're going to place our left leg back this time, dropping the knee down, reaching up and back. Placing the hand back on the mat. Flex the front foot, chin to chest, roll back onto your toes, prop the left knee up, reach right arm long, maybe rotate your wrists one way and the other, placing it back on your mat. Right leg meets the left to plank, inhale. Exhale, downward dog. Pedal out the legs. This time, reaching your left leg to the ceiling. In, knees to nose, and place. Dropping the right knee down. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, down. Reach up. And down, up and down, hand back on the mat, flex the front foot, tuck the chin to your chest, rolling back onto your feet, propping the right knee up, reaching left arm up, circle your wrist. Okay, back on the mat and propping our right leg to meet your left. And to a forward fold. Let's hang out here for a second, back to swaying. Good, bending the knees a couple times, maybe going on your toes and squatting down a couple times. If you hear a crack, it's not that you're old. You just need to move your body a little more and give love to those areas. Bending your knees, reach up, tall mountain, and exhale, heart center. I hope you guys are feeling more energized and really feel your body being strengthened and lengthening. If you guys want like a toning video, go check that out, and I'll see you in the next one. Again, it's about the journey, not the destination. Bye!